and welcome to my channel. I'm Penny and this is So Chill Sewing Studio. And today I wanted to unbox my Fat Quarter Shop monthly subscription. I subscribed about 3 months ago and really like it. And I'm not really sure what's in here, so this is the one for March. So I thought we could open it together. So it comes in this cute little box. It does just fit in our mailbox just fine. Otherwise, they might have to put it down in the big parcel. But when you open it, it's always so pretty. Look at that. So the Sweet Springtime March 2026 sampler. And on the back is a little synopsis of what's in here. So this one says, "Quilt with us. Join us for Jolly Bar Day." I have to learn what that is. The lady's name, owner's name is Kimberly Jolly. So that's where that comes from. But look at this quilt. They give you it's a partial layer cake to make this quilt. And I know there's more information there. And then you can use this QR code to get discounts. You get a free quilt pattern. There's just all kinds of goodies in here. So let's go ahead and open up. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So I believe I pay $30 a month, and it's worth way more than that when you, especially when you find these fabrics. Is this a whole layer cake? I'm not sure. A layer cake, I believe, has 42 10 by 10s. Oh, this is not a layer cake. This is like, okay, we're just going to open this and see. I'm not sure what this is. A layer cake is 10 by 10s. Maybe charm packs or like a jelly roll. I don't know what you call this. This is like a half a layer cake. And look at all the colors here. Look how pretty that is. All the springtime colors. See if you can see that. Oh, the gingham is pretty. Did you see the gingham? Look at the gingham. That's perfect for spring. There's peaches and yellows and greens and blue and pink and cream. And I dropped one that has words on it in the blue. Let's see what it says. And it looks like they're all different. Ranch, cottonwood, butter, wild, just cute little country words there. So that is the Pastel Prairie Jolly Bar. And I don't know, there's a lot there. So let's see what else is in here. We do have a really pretty apricot color of thread. And that's beautiful. That would go with these fabrics right here. Look at that. That's gorgeous. And let's see. We have a Sweet Springtime March 2026. Oh, this is what's in here. Okay, so the Jolly Bar is step out under the warm sun. Yeah, it's includes 5 inches by 10 inches. That's what I thought, with a free quilt pattern. So gorgeous. I bet there's 50 some there. I haven't counted it, but there's a lot. If not, it would be half of that. And then there's a 2 by 6 CGR ruler, and that's Creative Grids. I love the Creative Grids rulers. I've got several downstairs. So let's pull that out. You can never have enough rulers, I think. This is, what size is it? This one is a 2 by 6. So that's nice for small little projects. So you don't have to get your ginormous one out. Okay, so that's very cool. And it comes with a 2-inch blue magnetic ruler handle. That's interesting. I've never seen one of those. Okay, so the blue 2-inch blue magnetic ruler handle gives you control and curbs any cutting mishaps. It easily attaches to any ruler using the self-adhesive discs. Okay, so it would be permanent. It's not something you can take off and use somewhere else. Once in place, the handle helps you hold the ruler while protecting your fingers. Okay, so I'm assuming we would take off these little tabs and maybe stick it in the middle somewhere, wherever you want it. And that way you've got a little handle. Okay, so the next thing that's in here, and that's valued at $6.98. So let's look at the values here. The jelly roll here, the jelly bar, jelly roll, it's kind of a sort of, it values at $25. The ruler is $8.48. And this comes to $6.98. And then it comes with a taffy quilt pattern for $9.98. And here is the quilt pattern. And let's see what this looks like. Oh, they do have instructions on how to use the magnetic ruler handle. So that's handy. And here is a pastel prairie collection. Lullaby stars. So it comes with this pattern that we can use. And, oh, this is really cute. And here, oh, comes with all kinds of patterns. So you don't have to do just the one. You can kind of decide. Here is the taffy quilt pattern. And gorgeous. It does show what else you'll need. Usually the patterns are only the front of, it's just the quilt top. And you've got to buy the binding and the backing. And sometimes the border. Probably the border on this one. But it looks pretty. It looks detailed, but if you look at it, it's just half square triangles. Rotate every other block, so seams nest. And so not a large quilt, 40 by 48, maybe just a lap quilt, throw it on a table, a baby quilt. So it comes with the pattern and shows you the outer borders. Of course, you can do what you want, honestly. And then here is block 12, Wildflower About You block. Okay. So you can make this one, just, I guess, the block of the month. It's got the instructions. So that would be the block of the month. That reminds me, I got to finish mine before Friday or Saturday, I guess. For my block of the month at Society. And it shows you which block to put where. So this one's 12, so it'll be here. So I've missed, I could probably go back in my last three and get last two, and get January and February and do a table runner. Don't have to do the whole thing. So they give you so many options in here to do. Don't you just love this fabric? These fabrics are so pretty. Look at that one. It's kind of tone on tone. Got these sweet little flowers. Ooh, I like this one. This one's really cute. And the stripe, look how cute that would be together. So that's just a lot of fun. I kind of like getting these and just not knowing what I'm going to get, and get inspired on something that I didn't know I was going to be inspired on. So check the Fat Quarter Shop and see if it's something you're interested in. They don't pay me to say this. I'm just excited about it and just like to share. So we'll see what we're going to do with it. And I need to look at the last two. I've been so busy doing some other things, I haven't got to the projects, but I think I'm really interested in getting at least 3 of these done. And that would be fun. And then we'll see about the taffy quilt. And look at the quilting on there from the long arm. That's just so pretty. So that's what I have for you today, is to check out this box. And I'm excited to see what I'm going to get next month. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.